What the world needs now, ladies and gentlemen, is love, sweet love. What the world does not need, though, is another video on how to make Mexican street corn. We all got it. We know how to make it. But there is a problem that some people are having, and it's such a small number of people that they're not getting any attention. The problem that people are having, that some people are having when they try to make Mexican street corn, is that they make the corn, get it grilled all nice and piping hot, and they take it off the grill while it's nice and hot, put the mayo on, then put the toppings on, and then a few minutes later, all of their toppings slide off. And what's causing this is very simple. You're putting the mayo on while the corn is too hot. If you put the mayo on right off the grill, then it's gonna melt. You gotta think about what mayo is. It's basically just oil. So if you heat up that oil by putting it right on to piping hot corn that just came off the grill, by the time you get those toppings on there and a couple of minutes have passed, they're gonna start falling off. Good news is that the fix is very, very easy, and all you have to do is wait. We're not talking about a half an hour. We're not talking about some long rest. We're talking about 3 minutes. That's literally how long it takes for your corn to cool off enough that it won't cause this problem. Now, I've never had this problem before because my process is a little different, I guess. I'm putting my corn on the cob directly over the coals, and then I'm just turning it around until I get enough char on it, and then I put it on the indirect side. So it's kind of cooling off over there. I put it on the indirect side while I'm making my toppings, and it cools off enough by the time I've done my toppings that when I roll it in the mayo and put my toppings on there, it doesn't fall off. So that's the very simple fix to this problem, y'all. Once you take your corn off the grill, just give it 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and it'll cool off enough that you won't have this problem ever again. You're welcome.